just how you feeling. Been there, been all caught up all weekend, just thinking about you. I know your heart is breaking. Been there, know what I gotta do and leave it up to you. You're never gonna change. Bye.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Just That Music and Life. Today I am prepping for a open mic, like digitally, like on Zoom or online. So I'm not sure where they're hosting it from, but I just know that I was invited to do the open mic. So I'm showing you basically my prep and how I am prepping to prep for the open mic. First thing I'm going to do is, I don't know if I told you guys before, but I started getting falsy lashes because I suck at putting on the strips. So I still have some. I tried to get them off and they all didn't come out, but I tried to get most of them off. I don't know if you can see if this is doing any justice at all. So I bought these, and it's Ardel faux mink lashes. And I also bought this clear glue that comes with it. So I'm going to try and do them myself. COVID-19, y'all. And then after that, I'm actually going to do some press-ons. And I've done these before, so this is nothing. I'm fine with doing that, but y'all, this, like, no, it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna do some press-ons, I'm gonna do some falsies, and I just thought that I would show you how I'm doing them now. I have a little contraption here, so I'm gonna show you real quick. Just this mirror. I don't remember where I bought it from, but it's really dope. So I just want to show it to you guys. So this is the mirror right here, and it has a little light. I don't know if this is, you can see that. There you go. So it has a little light, and it flips from one side to the other, but one side is magnified. That's what I was looking for. So this is what I'm going to be using to try and put on these little falsies. So the falsies come like this. They start from short, medium, and long. So I'm going to try and size them up and see how that goes. I'm putting the lash in this way. I'm going to be putting them in this way. So I can't wear my glasses for this, y'all, so pray for me. Anyway, this is what the glue looks like. I see it getting fuller. So this is the finished product, and I think it came out pretty cool. And on to the next. After this, I'm going to start applying the nails. I need to take the nail polish that I have on off, and then I'll start applying the tips. I'm looking for a package, so yeah. In my tea, I have throat coat. I'll be drinking this today and most of tomorrow, just to get my throat, my voice ready, and I won't be doing a lot of singing and talking. So I will be filing my nails, and then I will be applying these nails with this nail glue. But I'm pretty pleased. I got everything done that I wanted to get done so far. I did my lashes, did my nails, and we will see what happens from there. Hey, so I am now about to start practicing. I still haven't decided what I actually want to sing. So I'm in the studio and I'm just about to start practicing. So I think I'm going to just go through a couple songs and run them and see what I actually want to start practicing on. I just want to quickly learn how to hook up my mic and stuff properly, because I don't know. I want the sound to come out really cool, like as I'm singing for tomorrow, and being that it is a open mic, I don't know. Now I gotta sound good, so do what I do, and yeah. So I'll see what song I'm gonna do. So I think I'm gonna do this song right here. I think I found the song that I'm actually gonna practice with. It's called Right Back. It's off my EP. Go check it out. It's on all the streaming. Go check it out. So I think I'm gonna do this one right here because it has a little flare, has a little bump to it. It's kind of slow, but it's like a slow mid-tone tempo. I don't really know what to say about that, but it's kind of slow, but it's not like slow, and it has like this little bump to it, mad attitude, little flair, and I get to play around with it, and I get to have a little personality with it. So I think I'm gonna do this one right here. I think this is the one I'm gonna do, so let's see. Ooh, how can I get right back? No, nobody knows. Staying in late, making phone calls behind my back. You leave early, say we're going, say I'll be right back. So now I think that I'll do the same to you. I'ma sneak in late, make phone calls behind your back. I'ma leave early, say where I'm going, I'ma say I'll be right back. I think that I'll do the same. I'll do the same. I'll do the same. Ooh, how can I get right back? No. How can I get right back? No, no, no. You say it's locker room talk, alright. You say it's just between the boys, alright. You say I just don't need to know, so don't be surprised before your eyes is what I'm doing to you. I'ma say it's just a line talk, alright. I'll say it's just between my girls, alright. I'll say you just don't need to know, so don't be surprised before your eyes is what I'm doing to you. How can I get right back? No. How can I get right back? No, no, no. And now you wanna get back up with me. Now you wanna get back up with me. Want me to ride or die, stand by your side. Wanna be my guy, then you go and lie. How many times can I'm not gonna cry. You can tell your lies. Ooh, how can I get right back? No. Get right back. No, no, no. Sorry. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this one. I think this will be fun. I think the audience will like it. And it's a free, it's like a free show from your bedroom or your couch or wherever you are logging on to the open mic. So I'm gonna practice a little bit more. Then I'm gonna go over how to wire up my my microphone for the open mic. So my engineer's gonna come and he's gonna show me like what to do, how to wire it up, how to get it on me. Not the way I regularly use it, like when I'm recording, and another way where the sound will come through and it'll actually come through like the speakers, so that while I'm recording, while I'm singing on the open mic, it will sound as though I'm coming through the studio mic. So I think it would be really, really cool. I think it's gonna be dope. So I'm super excited to do that. And in the meantime, I'm gonna keep practicing, and I will see you guys in a minute. Okay, so first we're gonna turn the mic, the Shure mic receiver on. And so after that is on, then we're going to plug in the male to female. Okay. And then after that, this piece is gonna go to the, so now we just took the XLR cable and we're extending it now. So we're gonna plug it into where it says microphone in. Right there. Cool. Mm-hmm. So that's the back. That's how that looks. Okay. Then. So now we're taking the XLR and it's going to go into the output of the board. Maybe. Okay, the output of the board, and then this 4-prong is going to go into the phone for recording, and it's a special little piece there that allows the phone to pick up the microphone. So we're having slight technical difficulties here, but in the meantime, so yeah, we're trying to get the mic to pick up. For some reason it's not picking up, but this is what be happening, y'all. I'll be trying to tell y'all, everything is not smooth, easy breezy. So we're trying to get this little mic piece clamped on me. You can see the mic is here, but it's actually, oh, there we go. All right, I think we're back in business, y'all. We are back in business. That's my mic. The mic on my clothes. So I will be ready for tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna now we've hooked up all the cords, all the XLRs into the mixer. Ah, I'm coming through the system. That's dope. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Can hear that? That's the mic. So yeah, I'm coming through. I'm coming through. This is what I meant by you're gonna hear me coming through the system. You hear, that's dope. You hear my voice coming through the system. So tomorrow when I'm doing the open mic, it's going to have a nice sound. Like, I'm gonna sound dope. It's gonna sound dope. So right now we're just testing out the levels, and I gotta really stop touching the mic because I always touch the mic. Like, I'm always I saw that. I'm always touching the mic. I'm always putting my hands like near the mic. So I gotta stop touching the mic. So I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm going up and down and in and out. So we're testing the levels of my voice. And right now I'm just talking because I'm not trying to do a lot of singing, because when I have to sing the next day I don't do a lot of singing. So I'm talking right now, but yeah, and I switched my song. I'm not doing What Are You Doing anymore. I think I'm gonna do Can't Stop, so go check it out, because it shows more of my vocal ability, it shows my range, it shows a little more of what I can do with my voice rather than just the attitude. So it's a suggestion and I'm gonna take the suggestion. So I think I'm gonna do just Can't Stop for tomorrow. And right now,
sing something real quick.
I'm just, no, I just can't stop, no. Oh, sometimes you gotta say when there's nothing left to say, oh, 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 say it again, just say it again. Keep singing. All right, so that was a little of behind the scenes of what we actually do on a norm, like getting your levels, getting you to sound right, sounding like you want to sound. It's very important. So that's what I'm doing right now. And of course my dope engineer is here and he is killing it for me. And this is what I'm practicing from, just a Google Play, whatever that is, the Google Play, yeah. So I'm practicing from that, and I'm going to continue to practice. We're going to continue to take levels, and yeah, that's going to be the night. Okay, so so say that again.
Microphone is coming through this track,
yep,
or this channel.
Yep.
And it's assigned to sub output number 3 and 4.
Yep.
It's coming in here. The reverb is connected up here,
yep,
getting fed through send number 3, going
yep,
to the reverb.
Mm-hmm.
And then I routed it over here.
Mm-hmm.
It's coming back to the board here.
Mm-hmm.
But I told it, instead of going to the main,
mm-hmm,
to go to the subs to 3 and 4, which
okay,
sends it back down here.
Got
so
it.
Your microphone is going here,
mm-hmm,
and the effect return is also going to 3.
Okay.
So a number 3 is going to feed your phone, and the main mix is going to feed the speakers.
Cool. Okay, so this is the end of the cord that goes into the phone. It's the 4-prong that we were showing earlier. Okay, now it's going to go into the bottom of the phone where you would put the headphones at. And the little thing should have popped up to say that it was, okay, there it is. And then you'll get that notification recording through the headphones, and the mic should be ready to rock. That's basically how it's done. We're going to test the video. Get that notification recording through the headphones, and the mic should be ready to rock. That's basically how it's done. So cool. Sounds great. Alright, so that was a positive test. That was perfect. And then you'll get that notification recording through the headphones, and the mic should be ready to rock. That's basically how it's done. And there you have it.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
It has to be that low.
I know just how you're feeling, been there. Been all caught up all weekend, just thinking about you. I know your heart is breaking, been there. Know what I gotta do and leave it up to you. You're never gonna change, but I can't stop thinking about you, yeah. I can't stop thinking about you, yeah. How can we be good for each other when we can't stop and listen? And how can you be the man I need when caught up in your feelings?
Sounds good, though. I like the mix. This is, I turned it up.
Will it sound as loud on this as it is, as it will be when we're doing the show? Like when everybody's listening.
Yeah.
And I'm coming through. Will I sound?
You're gonna sound like the way this sounds, but I'd like to get a headphone, to be honest with you.
From the studio? From the booth? So this is a wrap. I'm going to end this video here. Give this video a thumbs up. Give yourselves a thumbs up for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell so you can be notified every time I load another video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.